All right, in this lesson, let's continue manipulating our data. So we've got our bit.ly here, and we've got our data, our UFO data. Let's go ahead and add another cell. And in the cell, let's remove a column. That colors reported column doesn't have a lot in it, right? So let's go ahead and get rid of it. UFO dot drop, and we need some parentheses, and we need some quotes, and we need colors reported. Now let's make sure that I have the right case. Comma, axis is equal to 1, in place is equal to true, no, equal, true. Let's go ahead and read it when we're done. UFO dot head. And with that, we dropped that column that didn't have any values in it for the data we were looking at. All right, let's go ahead and drop more than one column. So let's add a cell. Let's come down here. Let's copy this. We'll use this as our base. Control V. Let's put some brackets. There is an open brace. Let's come over here to close brace. Axis 1, yes, in place true. Colors reported. Can't be colors reported because it's already gone. How about state? Watching our case. Over here, comma, quotes. How about time, because it's easy to type. So state, time, axis 1, that should do it. And now, we've just dropped those two columns. We're getting kind of light here in the columns, aren't we? Let's do some sorting with our data. Let's bring back, let's go up here, Control copy, Control V, Control enter. There we go. Let's get back our data. Let's go new cell. There's our new cell. Let's go ahead and do some sorting. So we want to sort UFO dot. Let's sort on what? State. That's what we'll sort on. State dot sort underscore values. How about ascending is equal to false. FALSE dot, no, I said dot, head. So we've sorted our state descending, right? Because we said ascending false, right? And the head gave us the first 5, right? Well, what if we want the first 25? All right, well, we just put 25 in there and hit enter. And now we've got the first 25, right? Again, and descending, because we've set ascending to false. Let's clear our cells. Cells, output, clear. Let's add a cell. Thank you. Now let's go ahead and sort UFO. Type the same way. Let's sort values, underscore values, and we'll put some parentheses, and let's get our data back. I want to be able to see what I'm doing. All right, thank you. And we're going to sort by city. CITY. Dot head. And we'll hit enter. So we've sorted by city, right? All right, let's add one final sort. And this time we're going to sort by 2 values. So UFO dot sort underscore values. Quotes, brackets, and the first thing we want to sort on is city, so we'll put single quotes, city will come out, we'll put a comma, and then the next thing we want to sort on is state. So we're going to sort on city first, and then we're going to sort on state, right? And then we'll do dot head, and we'll look at the first 25. Come to the end, hit Control Enter. And we've indeed sorted on city first, and then sorted on state.